Check out this awesome multi-purpose knife that folds and collapses with ease. It is a flip knife, so you're able to use this piece right here to flip it out. You don't have to have a big motion to do it. You can do it with just one finger, just like that. You can of course still do it as you flick your wrist, but this is just a super sharp pocket knife to be able to use while hiking, fishing, hunting, your day-to-day use, breaking down boxes, whatever it may be. It has a built-in clip so that you can just attach it right as is, right to your pants, to your bag, hiking bag, fishing area, whatever it may be. It also comes with a nice carrying case that has a very strong Velcro to be able to securely hold it in there. And then it has a loop on the back so that you're able to put it through your belt loop and have it secured even tighter on your person. Now, it also even comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth so that you can keep it nice and clean and shiny. It even comes pre-oiled so that it has that smooth and easy opening. So this is just a perfect blade. It's about 3.5 inch long blade, and it is super sharp. I brought a piece of cardboard just to show you how easy it is to cut through it here. Just like that. That was some thick cardboard, but this is just super sharp right out of the case. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.